iQOO 15 Ultra, the ultimate gaming phone with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 active cooling and shoulder triggers. Forget everything you know about flagship performance. This isn't just a phone, it's a weapon. Launched on February 4th, 2026, meet the iQOO 15 Ultra. The first Ultra in the brand's history, and it's already shattering records with an ANTUTU score of over 4.51 million points. Is this the most powerful Android on the planet? Let's find out. iQOO 15 Ultra has officially arrived as a performance-driven gaming flagship powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It focuses on delivering consistent power, immersive visuals, and refined control precision for serious gamers. The iQOO 15 Ultra comes with a 6.85-inch flat Samsung M14 AMOLED display offering 2K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, 8000 nits peak brightness, and 188% DCI-P3. It supports HDR, 2160Hz PWM DC dimming, and a polarizer-free design for better eye comfort and motion clarity. It also supports up to 4000 Hz touch sampling and 480 Hz multi-finger response. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, built on a 3nm node, paired with an Adreno 840 GPU, UFS 4.1 storage, LPDDR5X Ultra Pro RAM, and the in-house Q3 Esports Chip. This combination supports real-time 2K upscaling, full-scene ray tracing, and 120fps frame interpolation, delivering console-level visuals. It records an ANTUTU score of 4.51 million, making it the most powerful smartphone in the Android segment to date. To sustain high performance, the iQOO 15 Ultra uses the Ice Dome cooling system, featuring a 17mm 59-blade fan, an 8,000 square millimeter vapor chamber, graphite layers, and aerogel insulation, all TÜV Rheinland certified for reliability. It also includes pressure-sensitive shoulder triggers, a magnetic axis 091640 motor for 4D vibration, and a 500Hz gyroscope. The iQOO 15 Ultra ships with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. The software includes features like Atomic Motion 6.0 animations and a new GameSpace dashboard for unified game management and performance analysis. The OS supports 2K 60fps casting and one-tap streaming for several major games at sustained 144 fps. In terms of optics, the phone features a 50-megapixel main camera, Sony IMX921, with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 107-degree field of view, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, Sony IMX882, with 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. Both the main and telephoto sensors support CIPA 4.5 level stabilization. The front camera uses a 32-megapixel sensor and supports 4K video recording. The rear cameras support up to 8K video. The iQOO 15 Ultra packs a 7400 mAh single-cell Blue Ocean battery. It supports 100-watt wired fast charging and 40-watt wireless charging. The device includes IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, NFC support for over 65 transit systems, and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. It comes with 29 antennas for improved signal reliability and supports dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB 3.2 Gen 1. The price? It starts at roughly $800. It's currently the reigning king of performance benchmarks. So, is the iQOO 15 Ultra your next daily driver, or is it too much power for one hand? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe for the full long-term review. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.